In this video, you'll learn how to monetize training content. The Fuse platform is a great way to share training content and courses with a diverse audience in the manufacturing sector. From employees at manufacturing companies, to service techs and salespeople at dealers, to members of industry associations, and to prospective job seekers looking for career advancement. Training can be online web-based content or virtual or in-person instructor-led classes. You determine the price of each course, class, curriculum, or certification, and whether the content can be purchased as individual courses or as part of a packaged curriculum or certification. The Fuse revenue share model works like this. Whenever your training content is purchased, you'll receive 70% of all sales. Reporting dashboards allow you to see who is completing your training courses and track monthly revenue share payments. To learn how you can access new audiences and begin making money with Fuse today, become a member by visiting fuse.logicbay.com or email us at info@growwithfuse.com.